Is your beloved Roborock S7 acting up? Does that error 18 message pop up, leaving your floors uncleaned and your day feeling a little dusty? You're not alone. We recently had a customer who experienced this exact nightmare. His reliable S7 suddenly stopped cleaning. The dust bunnies started to return. So, what exactly is error 18 on your Roborock S7? It almost always points to a fan malfunction. This tiny yet crucial component is responsible for creating that powerful suction you rely on. When it fails, you're left with a robot that just pushes dirt around, leaving your floors looking anything but clean. If ignored, it leads to a complete fan failure. Your powerful robot vacuum is now just silent. So, he did what many of us would do. He turned to the internet. Maybe I can fix it myself, he thought. But wait, trying to fix it yourself or entrusting it to someone who isn't specialized comes with a lot of risks. You could misdiagnose the problem, use the wrong tools, damage delicate internal components, or even void your warranty. The quick fix might end up costing you a lot more in the long run. That's where RoboCare comes in. Like our customer, who finally decided to trust us, you don't have to face this frustration alone. Our customer reached out to us, and within days, his Roborock S7 was back to its perfect cleaning routine. At RoboCare, we understand the suffering a broken robot vacuum can cause. We specialize in precise diagnostics and genuine part replacements for your Roborock S7. Our expert technicians are not just good, they're specialists in robot vacuum repair. Stop letting a faulty fan mess with your peace of mind. Instead of relying on personal instincts or trying risky DIY solutions, trust the experts at RoboCare. Visit our website to book your repair or give us a call today.